How's it going, everyone? This is Sean from the Scale Model Car Guide channel, and today's video is going to be this Budweiser race team unboxing. But before I get this video going, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. I don't need a thing from you guys. Anybody I mentioned in my videos will always be a link in the description below this video, as well as my contact info if you need to get a hold of me. And with that being said, love you guys, and let's get this unboxing going. Alright, as you can see here, sealed. This kit is from the 70s. I'm not for sure exactly what year, but it's pre-80 for sure because there's no barcodes on it. The thing that's starting to lose a little bit of its wrap over here, but it is still sealed up. It's amazing sometimes how these things can stay sealed for all these years. And yeah, this is the Budweiser Ford transport truck and Mustang 2 king of funny cars racing team right here. Yeah, so let's see what this box looks like, and then let's rip open that plastic. You can see right here, beautiful kit. Let y'all read that if you want to read that. Like I said, there's no date on this box, so I do not know. Oh, look at the price tag on that right there. Child World, Children's Place, Arlo price, $11.97. But you gotta think, you know, back in the late 70s, whatever, that was probably pretty steep. But it was a two kit, you know, two cars in one, you know, a truck and a car. So here's the side of the funny car. You can see that right there. Troy, Michigan right there. AMT Corporation. There's the car. Let's check out the other side. Still sealed up. Now, let's open this bad boy up and see what that 70s era plastic looks like. Let's see what that air. Oh God, this is kill. Oh man, this is gonna kill the collector. Oh, I am not responsible in this video for a collector dying. Sorry, guys. I don't understand that collecting crap. Oh crap! Uh oh! It ripped open part of the, with that plastic been stuck on there so long. Look at that. Now, let's see what's in this bad boy. Did we get screwed? Let's see. Let's move this thing down. Oh yeah, let's see. Let's put this in the background. Look at that, guys. Still sealed. Look at this. Still sealed. There's the funny car. Let's set that aside. Still sealed up. Never even been unbroken, guys. But there's a... No, okay, never mind. It wasn't. It was over to the side. Okay. Look at that. There's the truck. Here is the race trailer for the truck. Hauler, whatever you want to call it. Man, and it don't even really look like anything's warped or anything like that from being so old. Let's look in here. You got a small plastic tree, chrome tree, I'm sorry. Here is the car chrome tree. The glass, of course, is going to have to get put in bags. All these tires. sitting around here. The truck chrome. Let's open this stuff up and check her air out. Let's see, what is this right here? Power Graphics. Money saving offer on giant 24 by 35 color poster. Look at there. Let y'all read that. Huh. Pretty neat. Never know what you'll find in these old kits right here. Never know. Let's see these decals. Let's see if these decals are worth anything or not. They're yellowed, but man, there's not split. They're not nothing like that. I think they're usable. Bleach these out in the sun. Oh yeah, those would be great right there. Let's see if there's another decal without hurting stuff. Yeah, here's the car decals. Oh yeah, those are in excellent shape. I should be able to use those. I'll spray a little clear coat across the top, just a thin layer. Bleach these out in the sun. Bob's your uncle. Here's the instruction sheet for the Mustang. Starting with the engine. Very simple sheet. Really a small sheet, really, for instructions. Looks like a pretty straightforward build, guys. Let's move that one out of the way. Now, this is a big old sheet right here, or a bigger sheet. Right there for the truck. If I can get her open. You can see that lovable AMT chassis there, guys. Everybody loves them, but it is what it is, guys. But y'all look through those if there's anything y'all need to see. Oh yeah, great kit. Like I said, look at all those loose tires and wheels, and yeah, glass. I gotta get all this glass. The tires are sitting on top of the glass, of course, but not too bad a shape. All right, let me move some of this stuff out of the way, and let's do a proper unsealing of the bags. Let's move some of this stuff out of the way, guys. I know. Waiting on me. Let's open these bags up. Oh, let's get some of that vintage air. Ah! Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look how crisp that chrome is right there, guys. Excellent. Let's throw that away. Make sure there's not no parts in it. Let's open this one up. Oh yeah. We likey. We likey. Over there. Look how chrome still looks good after all these years. And I showed y'all this one. This was the only one, believe it or not, that wasn't in a plastic thing. Why? I don't know. You'd think that they would have put it in plastic, but it was not. Alright. See if we can open up this trailer here. Ugh. You can see there's the top part of the ramp. Here is our beloved frame halves. You can see they got a bend to them. There's your warping right there, guys, but it's no big deal. By the time you glue everything together, clamp it together, that will go away, I guarantee you. See, there's where you put your rails in right there, so that's going to straighten out once you glue that and clamp that together. Not a thing, not a problem with that, guys. Here's the little ramps with the diamond plate on them. Let's see. Here is the side of the truck. Look at there. That's the inside of it. Here is the outside of it. Same thing here. Here's the mud flaps and the back bumper rail thing. Here is the, sorry, bumped it. There's one of the pieces to the side of it. Just throw this box or this plastic away. Y'all don't save plastic, do you? There you go. There's that part. Now, let's get to the truck. See if I can get this thing open for you guys. Ah, I love the smell. 19, I'm going to say 77, 78. I'm just guessing. Ah. Oh, yeah. We like you, we like you. Oh, look at there. There's something better about the plastic too. It's got a different ring to it when you open up the new plastic. New plastic's a little soft, and look at that. Look how crisp that is, guys. Not been molested too many times. Look at that. Look at that front. Ford. You can actually read the Ford. Look at that. Going to be a good one. Boom, look at there. Here is the inner tub. There's a seat. I don't know if you can get the detail off that or not. Look there. That's your suspension parts. Here's your engine. It's a big old engine too, of course, you know, it's a big old truck, so. You're probably like, tell me something I don't know. Alright, there's the radiator. Firewall. Don't know what that is. Something to do with the side, a little air filter thing, don't know. Miscellaneous part. Here is the rear pumpkin, frame supports, front suspension, tanks, exhaust hoses. There is a steering wheel. Oh, I'm gonna have to keep this bag, guys, because all them little parts, I'm not gonna take them all out, but there's the dash, so I'll probably throw all them back in there. That way I can kind of keep up with that a little bit better if I keep it in the bag. Sorry about that, guys. If I can. Oh! Uh-oh! I hit the camera. Oh no. That's what happens when you got everything right in front of your face. Trying to look through a viewfinder here, or whatever you call it. Ah! There, let's keep that together. Whew. One more piece, guys. One more bag. This will be the funny car bag. Let's see, it'll be this end we can open up. Oh yeah. Open this bad boy up. Let's give it a sniff. Oh my God, guys. I could do that all day long. You know, some women, they like to sniff babies. I like to sniff plastic. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm a weirdo. Yes, that's your funny car parts. There's your rear end. There's your front clip, rear clip, spoiler, chutes. Here is that engine, trans. Look, it's got a little flash. Here is that funny car frame, wheel pieces, wheel backs. Really not a lot to this kit. There's your seat, more suspension pieces, whatever. Let's check this body out. There she is. Look at there, guys. It's not even got a warp to it. Look at that. You know, sometimes, you know, when you get kits that are sealed up, you're taking a gamble. You know, these people want a high price for them, but man, they could be a warped piece of crap. Especially you seen how this box was on this. I took a gamble on it because, you know, I got it at the right price. But man, I really do love personally buying open kits. And the reason why I like buying open kits, because you can see the inside, you can see what's going on. These collectors that never open anything, they're not doing no justice. They're not doing nothing but hurting the kits. Because I've seen kits that's been in somebody's collection where the film on the box is just caving that box in. And, you know, they've been stacked and this and shuffled around. You know, the glass is shot. Big old tire burn on them. The bodies are warped. You know, you know, it's better, guys. If you're going to pay a high price, I'd rather pay a high price for an open kit than a sealed kit any days. All right, guys. If you like what you're seeing, like, share, and subscribe. Love you guys.